What's going on, man? Louis the Boiler Man here, guys. Like I said, we're in Mudtown, New York. We got this service call because they had a water leak and we took care of it. So let me explain what's going on here. So first, we got here, there was a pool of water in the back of the unit. So I said, okay, we obviously know that it's condensation because there's no plumbing here. It's just condensation when the air conditioner is on. It's making cooling. Today happened to be 95 degrees, so it's a lot of humidity. The other thing is, I took out this panel and I noticed that the primary pan was full of shit. Mierda. If you know what mierda, Google it. But we took care of that because it was full of a lot of, like baba, like slime. It's just full of shit. Inside here, it was also a clog here, creating a blockage. So what happens? The pan was overflowing. Of course, it is spilling into the bottom of the return box, causing a flood. The other thing I noticed was this was also clogged inside the trap. You guys already know that. But when the water was leaking also to the condensate pump, it was also overfilling. Why? Because the pump was back. So it was on. I felt it. It was just not pumping. So we had several things going on here. So we had to clean out the pool of water. So we opened up a hole on the bottom of the box. So we get some access. We did a little access door. We vacuumed everything out. Also, we cleaned out the primary pan. We also cleaned out the trap and the piping. And we installed a new condensate pump. So guys, this is what it is. Sometimes, you think you solved the problem. Sometimes another problem. So you always got to double check yourself, double check your work. And the other thing I will tell you guys, listen, if you have some condensation inside here, check the bottom of the box. You know what? That was my fault. I didn't check it. I did check it after because there was a pool again. After we cleaned it up, it was puddling in the back corner. That is the lowest point. That's where all the water's going to stay at. So we had to make an access panel, vacuum out all the water, put everything back together. Voila, we're done. So guys, if you need any help, you have any questions, ring the bell button, DM me, subscribe to our channel. Louis the Boiler Man. Woo-wee! Wepa!